Hi Sumit.
Sir, I am fine, sir.
Heartiest congratulations
Thanks a
once
lot.
again, Sumit. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, sir.
You made it into the SSB in the 5th attempt.
Right, sir.
How does it feel?
Sir, the feeling is undefined, sir.
Okay.
Quite good, sir. Now, like when I hit in the fifth time, the feeling is quite undefined, sir.
Okay, Sumit. You came to Invicta after your second, third attempt.
Right, sir.
Okay. And what were you believing when you now went for the SSB? क्या सोच के जा रहे थे तुम SSB में क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा क्या सोच रहे थे?
Sir, I will first of all explain my whole SSB cycle, how
Yeah,
I started.
very
like,
good.
Then after I will tell how I improve further on. Like
Okay.
when I enroll myself in Invicta, what change I feel in Invicta.
Yes.
So first of all, my start.
तू हिंदी भी यूज कर सकता है.
Right, sir. Right.
तू हरियाणा से है ना?
Yes, sir. Haryana,
So
sir.
you have to tell your entire experience. With
Yes, sir, entire.
With your friends.
Right, sir.
What did your mother say after your parents, your
Yes.
friends when you would have gone to rejoice? So
Right,
yeah, continue.
So like sir, my SSB journey started from 6th of October 2021, and I was the kind of guy who was not having self-belief. First of all, that
Yeah.
was the major hurdle.
Yeah.
But I had taken coaching in Olive Green first. In my very first attempt, I follow the same path which other candidates were following.
Okay.
Because I was not even aware about this unsung Invicta Academy, because this is at the raising platform.
Yes.
till now.
We are
Right, sir.
सुमित हम खाली 1 साल और 8 महीने हुए हैं.
Right, sir. Right. Sir.
और तूने खुद जब आया था यहाँ पे
Right.
from the time that you came and now that you have got recommended. So when you came, I think Om Sachan
Sachan
was already in NDA.
NDA 148 course.
148
148th course.
और तू ओम के साथ आया था?
Yes, sir.
या ओम से पहले से आया था?
Sir, after like Om was like second time repeater.
Okay, second time. Imagine by the time Om got recommended, we had 10, 11.
Yes, sir. 10th.
And you were the 42nd.
Right, sir. 47.
41st या 42nd.
40.
Okay. And तेरे बाद भी अभी 5 हो गए recommended.
Yes.
तूने इतने लोगों को बीच में 31 रिकमेंडेशन अपने सामने देखे क्योंकि तू क्लास आता था जाता था तू ग्रुप में भी है. हाउ व्हाट वाज योर फीलिंग देन?
Sir,
यार
like,
सब रिकमेंड हो रहे हैं मेरा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
like I was the only guy who was sitting in all between the candidates, and I was thinking my day will also come.
गुड वेरी
Like
गुड.
people were standing and giving the motivation
चल
speech.
तो सो यू कंटिन्यू योर जर्नी नाउ.
Like sir mentioned already, like I had taken coaching in Olive Green. So their method of teaching was something different.
Yeah.
They used to tell the same word which you were telling, but their word are not having weight. Why I am saying this?
हमने जो पढ़ा है उसमें क्या डिफरेंट है?
Like sir, there are a lot of different, like any picture they will pick up and they will start saying that you have to mug up these all themes only.
Okay.
That will make you close to the recommendation, but that is not the reality. Reality is much harsh than that.
Yeah.
Reality is, first of all, we have to transform our personality, which I come to know after getting enrolled in the Invicta only.
Okay.
Like when I come to Invicta, like my father's friend had recommended for the Invicta. I was not much aware about it, this coaching. Also not aware that Invicta is there in Jaipur.
Yeah.
But when I enter Invicta,
यू आर फ्रॉम हिसार.
yes sir, Hisar.
तो हिसार में नहीं है कोई कोचिंग?
Sir, there is also a coaching, many coaching like Kafta Academy is there and one academy more.
Why did you choose Invicta? Just because your friend's father told?
No sir, not.
Did you do some study
Yes,
before that?
yes sir, I always do study before joining any academy. I never join any academy just by anyone advice.
Okay.
I did research about Invicta, like when my father friend told me that you must go, then I asked several qualities, what all qualities are there in Invicta,
Yeah.
which are different from the other academics. Then I come to know that in Invicta specifically there are 3 mentors which will guide you for the lifelong process.
Yeah.
If you were not able to got recommend in your first attempt, then also they will not leave your hand after getting not recommend. They will start asking about your life, about your journey, what is happening, and keep motivating you.
So that is what we did with you.
Yes sir, same thing.
So you went for one SSB, you couldn't, then you came back again.
Yes.
Did we pay equal attention to you?
Yes sir, all the time sir.
All the time?
That sense of belongingness was there sir.
So we are a family. When we have our candidates, we make it as a family. So yes, tell me the aspects that you kept on improving, and we pointed out और तुमने कैसे काम किया उन एस्पेक्ट्स के ऊपर? या एंड व्हाट डिड वी टेल यू, हाउ डिड वी टेल यू टू इंप्रूव अपॉन दिस एस्पेक्ट्स? या
Sir, I was lacking in the self confidence first of all, and second was liveliness.
यस
And I was doing fakeism earlier, like I was coach and in the one of academy, and I have to project in this manner only,
Yes.
in this fashion only. That is the criteria of the recommendation, but that is not the requirement. When I joined Invicta, they had told me that what is personality. Personality is actually a person who is having good mindset,
Yes.
and pure from heart and having sounded body.
Absolutely.
This is the personality. You have to transform in such a way, and I analyze and introspect myself that I am lacking in the self confidence. All the three assessors had told me the same assessment, that you are lacking in self confidence. The day when you will break your self confidence issue, you will make it.
Yes.
And that was the day also, like
तो तेरी तो इंग्लिश भी उतनी अच्छी नहीं थी.
Right, sir.
You are speaking very good English now. Huh?
Sir,
So how
average
did
I
you,
will
how
say.
did you improve on your English?
Sir,
What did I
English.
tell you how to improve?
Sir, I will give credit to the two person, like
Okay.
Colonel Vadan sir and Colonel Rocky Misra sir. Why,
That's
sir?
me,
Yes, sir. You. Why so, sir? Because first of all, you are a very good motivator as well, sir. Like you had attended you had taken many webinars and seminars,
Yes.
and you keep motivating the candidates like me who are from village background, so that we can join defense forces
Yes.
and can place 2-star on our soldier.
That's what the aim is of the academy.
Yes, sir. And secondly, about Sir Vardhan sir, like he was gave an idea about like make a book,
Yes.
like of the current affair in which you can divide in several phases.
Yes.
One phase like current affair, one phase about defense, one phase about you can national news, international news. I start writing that, and that improve my verbal as well as non-verbal communication
तो
skills.
एक चीज बता मेरे को.
Right,
Sumit,
sir.
You've got recommended.
Right, sir.
You've gone through the entire process. Tell how the learnings from the academy, the things that you learned from the academy this time, how did you employ it quickly, within 2 minutes, interview, GTO and psychology. So if I am a new candidate in front of you,
Yes, sir.
what will you tell me? यार मैंने ये सीखा था इन्विक्टा जा करके और मैंने ये चीज की.
Sir,
Yeah.
three main thing I have learned from you only, I will say, not Invicta, I will credit to you. First thing is, first of all, be brutally honest to yourself, because when you are honest to yourself, all the quality will come out automatically.
Absolutely.
Number second thing is like you have to be calm, cool and composed at every task, because when you will do these things, your quality will be in a better way.
Yeah.
Because that kind of hesitation will not be there in your mind.
Absolutely.
And you will be frankly represent what you are actually. That is the criteria of the SSB as well.
Absolutely.
And number third thing, if any kind of issues you are having, they will find out and tell to you, these are the ways in which you can rectify. These all things learning I have
Good.
learned from, and enjoy whole the SSB procedure. That is the best part.
So tell me the best incident of your SSB, the 5 days that you spent there.
Sir,
Very
there are,
interesting and good.
sir, there are million of like
Acha.
SSB is SSB memories are like very, बहुत अच्छी होती है sir.
Yes.
Means
You made
we
friends?
spend a time with friends, and that friends become like
Yes.
वो टूटती नहीं है जोड़ी,
टूटती
वो आगे मतलब बढ़ती
Correct.
जाती है.
Correct.
And incidents are like many happened. Like I will share incident of my GTO only.
Okay.
Like in my GTO, one of I was the commander. Like it is the time of the command task.
Command task.
So I was getting a normal like command task, but my GTO sir had told me that you gentlemen, you are running short of time. But at that time I was not hesitate. I said, yes sir, I am short of time.
Yeah.
Then that GTO sir told me that you must speed up your time. You must speed up your काम की जल्दी बढ़ा
जल्दी,
दो.
हाँ.
तो मैं बोला, sure sir, I will do that. Sir, then he start laughing, and then after he told me that you have to increase your, say to the subordinate, increase your
Speed
time
of, yeah,
speed.
yeah.
तो फिर मैंने कहा सबऑर्डिनेट इंक्रीज द टाइम एट द 2x एंड ही गॉट कंफ्यूज एंड ही स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द लाइक उन्होंने कहा जीटीओ सर ने कहा कि पीछे से स्टार्ट करनी है 60 सेकंड से। उन्होंने 60 सेकंड से मैंने उसको हर्डल्स दे दी बेफालतू में, मैंने कहा 2x पे बढ़ा दे।
ऐसा करूंगा मैं, ऐसा सिचुएशन आऊंगा तो यही लिखूंगा, ऐसी वो आएगी। बिकॉज was it difficult for you to break from that mold to come to this state of clearing? Difficult था?
Not at all, sir.
चलो good.
Sir, then after like about GTO, sir,
Yes.
you must have practical approach because you will deal with the practical things in GTO ground and GP, GD. Because reasoning ability, like you had also always tell that is the mother of officer-like
Yes,
quality.
it is the mother of all
Yes,
officer-like qualities, reasoning ability. आपने ये चीज ऐसी है तो क्यों है?
Yes, sir. Why?
The why.
Why? Yes.
Every question, अगर ये चीज है तो क्यों है?
Right.
Why? In your life, if you start practicing why, I think that is how your reasoning ability will
Half the
improve.
task done
Half the
there
task is done.
Yes, sir.
If so, why? That is the thing that I used to keep telling in the
Right,
class.
sir, right.
If so, then why?
Right, sir.
And you will reach a conclusion somewhere.
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it?
Of course.
Okay, fine. And then
after about the interview prospect,
Yes.
because interview you have to be very self-aware.
yes,
It is the one page, we see that PIQ is the one page, but all the quality will come out from that one page.
I
only.
am so
Self-awareness.
happy because the PIQ is very, very dear to me as an interview officer.
Right, sir.
It is the only source of information that you are giving to two assessors, the psychologist and the interviewing officer, to know about you. Because otherwise, तू क्या था? चेस्ट नंबर था?
Yes, sir. I am just
Did
chest number.
any assessor, any Tom, Dick and Harry in the SSB knew कि सुमित कुमार कहाँ से आया है?
Sir, they
You were just a chest number? Yeah, chest number so and so.
Right, sir.
आप अंदर जाइए. इंटरव्यू के लिए बोला होगा चेस्ट नंबर so
yes,
and so.
sir.
सुमित
chest
कुमार तो
number,
बोला ही नहीं होगा.
Never, sir. Never in 5 days.
So hence when you are a chest number, you're very right. The only source of information is your PIQ. और उसी में तो सब कुछ पूरा चिट्ठा है आपके पास.
Yes, sir. Sure.
So what do you have to say on that?
Sir, like first of all, we have to write PIQ each and every day.
Very
because
good.
whenever we write PIQ every day,
Very
we will come to know each and every
Yes.
thing new at a time.
Yes.
So this is the thing. And second thing to say, to give a better interview, we have not to fake. The
Yeah.
fakeism should not be there.
Absolutely.
Superficiality will be there, then interviewer will not be interesting in the candidate.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Because at this present time, if we are doing fakeism,
Yeah.
then what will we do after pipe now?
Yes. After getting, वो क्या join करेगा फिर? So
Sir,
what happened in your conference?
Sir, in conference, just they asked me how you are getting feeling this time, and I was saying this. I was saying to all of them, sir, this time I am feeling great.
तो
And
एक
my
चीज बता जो मैं हर एक कैंडिडेट को बोलता हूँ, वो
Yes.
क्या चीज है जब SSB जाता है और जब मैंने कुछ बोलता हूँ ना कॉन्फ्रेंस में, जब मुड़ोगे तो कुछ होगा.
sir,
क्या हुआ तेरे साथ हुआ?
yes, sir,
क्या
that
बोलता हूँ मैं?
that kind of pumping.
नो, ये फॉरगॉट.
Yes,
मैं ये बोलता हूँ, तुमको ये जो दिल होता है ना अपना, ये कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता. मैं हमेशा यही बोला है हर एक
that
candidate
feeling
को,
will come, sir.
कि when you come out of the conference, when you're turning back, your heart will say whether you're making it or you're not making it.
Sir, and I want
Did
to
your heart say it?
Yes, sir, sure.
And this is the only thing that I tell each candidate. You yourself will become the best judge.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि ये दिल है वो झूठ नहीं बोलेगा. It will tell you कि
Yes,
यार जहां वो डाउट है, हो सकता है नहीं हो सकता है, then you will not make it. When your heart has said you will make it, nobody will tell you. You become your best judge because you've gone
Yes,
through a
sir.
process entirely. Yeah, you wanted to add something.
Sir, when I want to culminate my conference, at that time I said to President sir that it's my pleasure to talk with you, sir, today. Then he was saying what kind of pleasure it was. It was my pleasure. Don't try to become over smart.
अच्छा.
Then he say you go now.
अच्छा. अच्छा. So that you should not have said.
Yeah.
Because you have gone for the interview.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? When you got recommended, then what happened?
Sir, then after like that feeling was great, sir.
घर
Because
कॉल किया सबसे पहले किसको?
no, sir.
call किया?
First of all, I called to you only, and before filling the documentation, I just called to you, and you were doing cycling at
Yes,
that
I
moment.
was doing cycling that time.
And
It was Sunday.
yes, sir,
Yes,
Sunday.
It was a Sunday, and I was doing cycling. when yes on the second call I picked up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
तो फिर आपने इतना ही कहा बेटा तूने कर दिया फाइनली एंड यू वर सो हैप्पी फॉर
Yeah, I was very happy.
Yes,
You see, when this is what I was telling the others also today. Hard work,
यस सर
sheer determination, sheer perseverance. वो हमेशा मैं कहता था क्लास में, मछली की आंख और अर्जुन का तीर. You know, that is what you did it. Did you tell your parents after that?
यस सर
Tell me their reactions.
Sir, to my mother, I told her that I got
Yeah.
recommended. She doesn't know what is recommended.
अच्छा.
So मैंने कहा मैं आज ऑफिसर बन जाऊंगा, बस अब थोड़ा ही काम बाकी है.
हाँ.
बस ऐसे थोड़ी, क्योंकि उनको हरियाणवी आती है ना ही हिंदी आती, मैंने बस इतना ही कहा. फर्स्ट पहले तो मैंने कहा रिकमेंड हो जाऊंगा, उनको रिकमेंडेशन नहीं पता, बट उनको पता है मैं ऑफिसर बनने के एक पड़ाव और पार कर.
Correct.
तो मैंने बस इतना ही कहा मम्मी आज कर दिया मैंने. फिर बोला वाह बेटे कर दिया तूने तो, फाड़ दिया आज तो.
Great.
लगा दिया.
So nice. And you have brothers, sisters?
Yes sir, my sister is there.
What did she say? What was
Sir,
her reaction?
She was saying that we were having faith already.
Great. And
My father is very strict. He never exposed that kind of feeling.
wow, so he did this time.
Yes sir, he did this time, but
Good. So medically cleared, Sumit.
Yes.
Looking forward to join the NDA.
yes sir, looking
All
forward.
pumped up. क्या join करेगा?
Sir,
Police होने के बाद.
Sir, I will join armored sir.
You join armored?
Yes sir,
क्यों?
armored.
मैं Corps of Engineers मेरी नहीं join करेगा?
No sir, all are
तूने
good.
मेरे को रोल मॉडल बनाया हुआ है, तो मेरी चॉइस ऑफ आर्म्स क्यों नहीं लेना चाहता है?
Sir, all are good, but my choice is something different.
टैंक चलाना तेरे को.
Yes sir.
Good.
Sir, I cannot like earlier also mentioned, I cannot just follow what people are doing.
Yeah,
I follow my own ambitions. Sir.
So any reason why armored?
Sir, yes sir, like 33 armored divisions there when I went along with my father's
तो
uncle.
तेरे को वो black डांगरी और black dress, हाँ?
Yes, sir. Black beret and-
armored corps also wears it in the
Yes.
deserts, huh?
Yes,
Good,
sir.
Good. Well, Sumit, it was wonderful talking to you.
Yes, sir.
All the very good and a lot of blessings to you.
Thank you.
Keep in touch. We'll again call you.
Yes,
And
sir.
understand there is still 4 months.
Right sir.
So I have always maintained in life, जो टेक ऑफ है वो बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. So एक नए पड़ाव में एंटर कर रहे हो लाइफ के, एंटरिंग अ वेरी गुड फेज ऑफ लाइफ. कीप सेफ, तो ज़्यादा मस्ती नहीं.
Sure
Okay.
sir.
बिल्ड अप योर फिजिकल एंड्योरेंस, बिल्ड अप योर फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ. वो जिम समझा नहीं, अपने पुशअप्स की कैपेबिलिटी बढ़ाओ.
Yes sir.
So when you go into the NDA, there's already a kickstart. So Karan,
Yes sir.
he's already coming in the second inclusion cross country as a first timer. Imagine.
Oh, great sir.
उसके पूरे 370 या 361 जितने हैं,
But he was doing work upon it sir.
तो उसको
Earlier-
करवाया ना, उसको
Yes.
तो उसको I made him through a proper schedule.
Yes.
It's a kickstart for him. Seniors कम तंग करेंगे, अच्छा टाइम निकलेगा, because you're a prize commodity in the squad.
That kind of achievement will be there.
That kind of achievement will be there. चलो, God bless.
Sir,
And
one thing
Yes.
at last I want to say, like ओम शांति ओम का एक वो है अपना कोट सा है शाहरुख खान का. When like I don't
तो
know.
पता फौज में भी मेरे को लोग बाग ये बोलते थे शाहरुख खान में तो मुस्टैच. Seriously, I am not joking. Yeah. तू बता.
Like when we want anything wholeheartedly, then whole the universe
वो
conspire.
हिंदी में बोलना था.
सर वो हिंदी में थोड़ा आता नहीं, मतलब जब
पूरी
कोई
कायनात जुड़ जाती है जब आप कोई चीज
शिद्दत से चाहते हो.
शिद्दत से चाहो.
मतलब
So all the energies of the world will get together if you have your aim is pure and you have worked very hard for it.
yes sir.
Like I was saying some time ago, God helps them who help themselves. Am I right?
Yes sir. Right.
Chalo, all the very best and do well.
Thank you,
Sumit? Okay, God bless.